Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and today I am coming at you with another skin tint review. Yes, I'm excited. I have another new launch from Shiseido. They just came out with their Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Skin Tint, and that's what we're going to be testing out in today's video. So I am excited to test to see what this is about, to let you guys know, do you need it or not? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's video, talking all about my first impressions and review of the Shiseido Synchro Self-Refreshing Skin Tint. All right, let's get into today's video. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into our Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Tint, broad spectrum SPF 20 today. So let me get on Sephora real quick and give you some deets about this skin tint from Shiseido. I feel like that's just what's, new. Every brand is coming out with their own kind of skin tint. So they have, I'm looking and I see like 11 shades. So it's not as much shades as their regular Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation, which I love. I have the Radiant and I have the original, so I'm not new to Shiseido foundations. So yeah, I see they have 11 shades. This does retail for $43 and it's SPF 20. Some of the claims: it's lightweight, it has hyaluronic acid, it has a natural finish, it's liquid, it's hydrating, and it has SPF. So this is a skin tint formulated with hyaluronic acid to provide up to 24 hours of hydration. It has a light coverage and a fresh, natural looking finish that lasts. So natural finish. It has a high content of hyaluronic acid and other skincare ingredients, provides a refreshing sensation, up to all-day hydration, and seamless application. It has active force technology, which resists the effects of heat, humidity, oil, and facial movement. And it has a responsive sensory technology, which adapts to the skin condition, tone, and texture for truer illumination. So this is free of paraben, formaldehydes, phthalates, mineral oil, hydroquinone, sulfates, and all those bad stuff. So I'm excited to try this out. I did pick up shade 515 Deep Tabasco, and in the foundation, I usually wear 450 Copper. So I do have the foundation right here because it is one of my favorites. So the self-refreshing formula from Shiseido, it just kind of just resets throughout the day, and so you never really kind of look like you need to touch up your makeup. So that's one of the things that I love about the foundation. When I first tried it, it was like, it looked like I just did my makeup like just right now, but I've been wearing it forever. So I did really enjoy that foundation. So again, I picked up the shade 515, and it has the regular packaging, Shiseido packaging, black with the red stripe. You're gonna get less than an ounce. You're gonna get 30 mLs, 0.95 ounces. It is for the face, and it has the little squeezy tube. So let me get into the application. Like, how cool is that? Right there, you just have like the little squeezy tube. So let's go and jump right in. All right, so I am just going to squeeze directly from the container to get it on. Again, this product is available online. It's not in stores, so as per the usual, I'm here blindly picking out my color. And so I hope that I did right. But it's about to be summertime, so we're all looking for skin tints or, you know, just to protect our skin. So I'm excited to try. As I mentioned, I do love Shiseido. I love the foundations. So when I saw that they came out with a skin tint, I was like, okay, I can dig it. And this is supposed to be light coverage? Really? Because this right here is looking like it's giving me medium coverage vibes. So let's get into the blend of the foundation. I feel like the shade is pretty good. What do you guys think? I'm blending it in and I'm seeing a seamless transition. I feel like it's definitely giving me medium coverage. It says that it's light coverage, but definitely buildable. But I feel like I'm getting medium coverage, which could just be because I did go in with a lot of product, which is nothing new. You guys know I'm kind of heavy-handed. So I feel like I got some nice coverage going on here. It's looking pretty good. Shade is on point. 100% on point. What do you guys think? Yes, Shiseido. Not too bad for SPF 20. Like some of them don't have any. Like I felt like that was my only thing with the Fenty, was that it did not have any SPF. So to have a skin tint that has some SPF is winning in my books. All right, so got it all blended out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, powder, bronzer, and I'm gonna do all of that, and then I will be back to let you guys see the finished look, and I will be back to tell you what my thoughts are. Let's do this. All right, so I'm back, I'm finished, and I have to say that Shiseido did not disappoint with this skin tint. Like, it is giving me foundation vibes. Like, I love the way that my skin looks, and I probably don't talk about the Shiseido foundations a lot, but I feel like they are very underrated and not a lot of people have tried them. The foundations are amazing. You don't have to you don't have to you touch up your foundation or anything. Like, you look like you just had your makeup on, like you just did it and you've had your makeup on for hours. So I cannot rave enough about the foundations. So considering that the technology they use in the foundation is the same that's in the skin tint, then I was expecting this to perform the same way. And so far, I have to say that it really did. Like, my skin looks amazing. I feel like I got medium coverage, and you guys saw how much product I used. So I probably really used a lot that would give medium coverage. But if you needed light coverage just to even out your skin tone, you can totally get that from this product. The fact that it has SPF 20 is pretty good. I mean, it's hard to get more than 20, 23 in a foundation product without getting the flashback or the white cast or all those other things, into the foundation. But all in all, for it being a skin tint, I feel like it looks like so amazing. I didn't really do much, honestly. I went in with blush, bronzer, so I didn't really do too much. I kind of wanted it to be natural, and I feel like I have a natural look going on to complement the type of complexion product that I was using. So that I am completely pleased about. I feel like if you're somebody who just uses like a tinted moisturizer to just even out your skin tone, then this is gonna be something that you will probably enjoy. I don't feel dry, honestly. I feel like it's very lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on. It blended out nicely. I don't really see it settling into any of my lines on my face. So I think that's a good thing. I am excited to try this in the summer. I live right here in sunny, hot, humid Florida. So it would be interesting to see if this refreshing technology is the same in this skin tint like it is in the foundations. So I'm gonna be excited to try this later on when it starts to get really hot and see how this performs. But it is giving. Like, I feel like I have foundation on and I really don't. Like, my skin looks really, really good. I got me coverage, and I feel like that it's illuminating. It's not glowy, it's not dewy, but I feel like it gave my skin life. And when the light hits like certain points, I can kind of see a little bit of glow going on. So all in all, I am excited for this product. I do think that Shiseido did a good job. Now, 11 shades, probably not the same as their foundation, but I do feel like it's enough to be in between, that they did kind of cover a lot of ranges, you know, with the product. So I feel like you can still probably get a shade in here. If you have tried this, then I feel like you can totally find your shade. I wore 450 in this, and I have 515 in, I don't think there's a 450 in the skin tint. It was 425. And I feel like it would be a little bit too light. So I went the next shade down. So definitely feel like maybe the shade ranges could be a little bit better, but I do feel like you could find something that would work for you with the shades that are offered. So yeah, all in all, I feel like it's a really good product. I am excited to try, and I do feel like this will be something that I will be reaching for in the summertime. All right, so let me know in the comments, have you tried any of the Shiseido complexion products? If you have, which one is your favorite? And are you going to try this and pick this up and give this a try? So let me know in the comments down below. Again, thank you for watching today's video. Before we go, if you aren't subscribed, if you aren't part of the Lady M fam, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends so they can also check out this channel and see what I got going on up in here. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.